My name is Blake Wendell from Lomira High School. So this is our grill we built for Kondex this year. It is strictly gas grill, charcoal capabilities for this year. A little bit of storage space down below. They will store charcoal, propane, whatever they need. A little bit of counter space over here for when they're grilling if they want to store their brats or buns. And then a little bit of airflow on the side if they're able to use charcoal. So this spins around to allow for more ventilation depending on the needs. Other than that, it's a pretty basic grill, kind of practical for Kondex's use and what they need for their employees during lunch breaks.